If you're new to Excel or Google Sheets, understanding how data is organized is the first and most important step. In this video, I'll explain cells, rows, and columns in a simple way, so you can confidently start working with spreadsheets. A column is a vertical group of cells in Excel. Columns are identified by letters, starting with A, B, and C, continuing through Z, and then moving on to AA, AB, and beyond. Each column is typically used to store one specific type of data. This helps keep information organized and easy to analyze. For example, column A might contain dates. Column B could contain product names. Column C could store sales amounts. So when you look at a column, think of it as a category of information running from top to bottom. Next, let's talk about rows. A row is a horizontal group of cells in Excel. Rows are identified by numbers, starting from 1 and increasing downward. Each row usually represents one complete record or transaction. All the information across that row belongs together. For example, row 2 might show a specific date, the product that was sold, and the amount for that sale. Because the data sits on the same row, it represents a single transaction. When you read across a row, you're looking at the full details of one record. The active cell is the cell that is currently selected in Excel. You can recognize it by the bold outline around the cell, and its address is displayed in the name box near the formula bar. Anything you type, whether it is text, a number, or a formula, is entered directly into the active cell. Most of the time, you will not work with just one cell. Instead, you will work with ranges. A range is simply a group of cells selected together. For example, selecting A1 to A10 highlights multiple cells down a single column. Selecting A1 to D10 highlights a rectangular block of cells. Selecting B:B selects the entire column B. Selecting 3:3 selects the entire row 3. Ranges are extremely important because they're used in aggregate formulas such as SUM, average, and count. Understanding how cells, rows, and columns work together allows you to enter data correctly, build accurate formulas, analyze data more efficiently, and create professional reports and dashboards. Everything you do in Excel starts with these basics. To quickly summarize, columns run vertically and organize data by category. Rows run horizontally and represent individual records. Cells are where rows and columns meet and where data actually lives. If you found this helpful, like the video, subscribe for more Excel tutorials, and let me know in the comments what you would like to learn next.